Hello my friends! Welcome back to my flower garden. Today I will show you the magic of garlic. One thing that thought was just to eat, but helped orchids grow strongly. If you have any difficulties in taking care of the tree, I will always be here to accompany you to help the tree grow strongly. Let's get started. You have just bought a new orchid, but just bought it to plant or die. Do it my way. I will remove all the old soil and the old moss, so it will move mold to avoid killing and rot. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more orchid care secrets. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new tip. Next, we need to cut off the damaged and rotten roots. If you're having trouble with language, don't worry. We provide subtitles in over 100 languages, including English, French, German, Japanese, Korean, Chinese, and more. How to change subtitles. 1. Click the settings icon on the video. 2. Select subtitles, CC. 3. Choose your preferred language. 4. If your language isn't available, select Auto Translate and pick your desired language. With just a few simple steps, you can enjoy the video perfectly in your own language. Let's wash small orchids to prepare for the next step. We will use 3 tablespoons of oatmeal. Oatmeal contains essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B, iron, zinc, and magnesium, which helps stimulate root and leaf growth while strengthening the orchid's resistance. After 20 minutes, we will filter out the solution. Garlic is indispensable in this orchid care. Garlic has powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping to protect orchids from harmful pathogens. It also contains sulfur and essential minerals that boost plant immunity, promote healthy root growth, and enhance flower blooming. Using cotton or a cloth to wipe the orchid helps remove dust, pests, and bacteria, allowing the leaves to absorb more sunlight and nutrients. This also prevents fungal infections and keeps the plant healthy and thriving. I will add vitamin B1 to the oatmeal solution, helps stimulate root growth, enhance nutrient absorption, and reduce plant stress. This combination provides essential minerals, helping orchids grow stronger, develop healthy roots, and produce more vibrant blooms. After soaking for 30 minutes, don't forget to wipe the plant to remove excess water, preventing root rot. This helps the orchid absorb nutrients better and grow healthier. To propagate the orchid, I will use floral foam because it helps retain moisture, provides good aeration for the roots, and creates a stable environment for young plants to grow strong and healthy. Remember to fix the tree. I will use a lid to cover it, but make sure to prepare a hot needle. I will poke a few holes to allow the plant to breathe and release excess moisture. After 2 months, you can see those blooming sprouts beginning to appear, showing signs of strong growth. The leaves are greener, the roots have become more developed, and the entire plant looks much healthier. It's truly exciting to witness this transformation and know that the orchids are thriving. We will then plant in jar. We will mainly use pine to make soil and moss to moisturize. Do not forget to water the plants after planting, dear. Do you have any better and more interesting tip to share? Please leave a tip below. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope you had a great time enjoying this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any new orchid care tips. Wish you a good day, goodbye, and see you again.